What's up, friends? It's Blake from Chasing Creative, and I was reminded today that sometimes it can be hard to find the data that you're looking for, especially if you're trying to sort by channel in Google Analytics 4. So I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on my agency website, Google Analytics 4 account, to show you where you might want to start looking in order to start cultivating more visibility into your business in the channels that are referring traffic or sending traffic. So I'll hop on here. You can see I'm already logged in. I don't get a ton of traffic. I do very specific blog posts, and then once in a while have large spikes whenever I'm doing outbound campaigns. And that's what I've been doing lately. But over the last 30 days have trickled off. And so that's why you can see the range in traffic here. So if we go over to reports, now, if we go down to acquisition, again, this is where you can find folks are searching from. And you can either go by user acquisition, which would be somebody that has spent more time on your page and likely has more events attached to them, or you can go to traffic acquisition, which will be the general traffic to your page. This is what I'm interested in for top of funnel. So now you can see this is over the last 28 days. I always like to look at 90 days. Super helpful to have that visibility and see the different spikes. Obviously, you can see they're organized from direct, unassigned, organic search, organic social, and paid search. So you can see the different traffic that has come to my page and the engagement that they've had on the page over the last 90 days. Now, if you're trying to see by channel, I highly recommend hitting this plus sign here and typing in source medium. So you can do session, you can do first time source. It's up to you really on the specifics that you want to get. We're going to click session. Okay, so you can see some of the different campaigns that I have here. I have my newsletter, which is driving traffic. I have organic search, people finding me on Google. I have paid search, which is cost per click, usually relating to my YouTube videos or ads that I'm running locally in my area for services that I have. And then you can see Facebook paid. This is Instagram and Meta. And it also attaches to some of the different ad accounts that I collaborate with, who sponsor my work and my photography and videos that I create. And then you can see organic social here, referral. But let's say I just want to know social in general. So it's going to pull up all the different social accounts, and I can focus on that and kind of dial in to see which accounts are driving traffic, if it's Facebook or if it's LinkedIn over the last 90 days. And then I can see what the type of engagement rate is. Now, I don't have any key events set up. My business is small, so I'm not really needing them on a daily basis. I can tell when people fill out a form because usually they have a high ACV when they're working with me. And so I don't really prioritize that in my business. What I'm prioritizing is driving traffic to my page that is specific to the services that I can provide or the experience I have to do as a consultant in marketing. And so here you can see Facebook paid has driven some traffic, the referral from Facebook when I'm posting there, and LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is kind of the main channel that I operate on, and you can see that that is working. And so you can see all these different channels here and what's driving traffic, whether it's organic or paid. You can see as many as you like, all the way down to single users, and you can sort from biggest to smallest, engagement rate, sessions, and so on. And here, if you wanted to know the type of events, you could click and say, okay, first visit, or if you have partnerships that are driving traffic. So then I can filter by those who are on their first visit to my website and see if I'm reaching the right folks. You can see all the different places that are driving traffic over the last 90 days. And so I think this is a great way for folks to dive into a little bit more about their business and try to see where the traffic and what channels are providing value to me as a marketer. Whenever I'm running campaigns or looking at a client's website, this is one of the first places that I go. Hey, I'm Blake at Chasing Creative. If you have any more thoughts or questions, please message me at blake@chasingcreative.io. I help small to medium-sized businesses grow through digital marketing, best practices, and dynamic websites. Have a great day.